You beat me here today. So we're back again. It's Sunday today. Didn't do yesterday because I was on a hike with my 10-year-old son and his scout troop. So that was fun, just the 7 miles. So nothing happened yesterday. Joiner's been here this week, getting the kitchen work surfaces joined and put into place and cut out for the sink and hob. I could have cut the sink and hob myself and put those in, but he just decided to do it. The main reason I got him here was to do the butt joint between the two work surfaces. That was just something I didn't fancy doing myself. It's a real shame really, because the work surfaces that we've had put in are 4 metre long work surfaces. Now if I could have got one that was 50 millimetres longer, I could have had a full length across one, and then I'd still need a join, so I guess it's 6 of one, half a dozen of the other. But it would have meant I could have just used a full length in where the hob and sink are, and then just have a little bit on the end. But the more I think about it, actually, I think it's probably better done the way it's done, having the cut where it is. So that's been done this week. Other than that, nothing else has been done. The plan for today is to try and get more of the painting done and get it finished. My dad hasn't been up this week, but he was on about coming up today. But my nan isn't very well, and so they need to go and see what's what with her and what needs to be done. And so he might not be coming up on that front. So yeah, anyway, so it's going to be a great day of painting again today. There's a few bits I need to mask up first, some rooms. Skirting boards and stuff and window boards and things that need to be masked up before I can start painting, but then I'm just going to crack on. And obviously I've already done quite a lot of painting. Some of it may need to be touched up a bit, so I need to check on that. But yeah, it's just a case of anywhere that needs a bit of a lick of paint, that's what's going to be done. So let's get cracking. So it's the end of the day. Got some painting done, not a lot. Painted this, the window board, painted another window board out in the utility room, touched up various bits of the skirting boards and some of the door frames that needed touching up. The thing is, I think a lot of the skirting boards really and truly could do with another coat of paint, but it's whether or not I think I've got the time to do it, because it'd be nice to not have to do it so I can move on to something else. I also got the hob wired in, so that's wired in and working. I got the fridge, a whole cord for the fridge, so I could feed the plug through for the fridge. So I cord that inside of the unit and push the fridge into place. There's the fridge. So that was the fridge. Polythene and stuff all over it at the moment to try and keep some of the dust off it. But I've sort of propped the doors open because there's a bit of a new fridge smell in there. So I've wedged the doors open with a bit of polystyrene and hopefully letting that all out, taking all the packaging out of it now. But anyway, that's another Sunday done and dusted, and I don't know when we're going to be moving in. I was hoping in the next 6 weeks, but if there's more to painting to do, that ain't going to happen. I think what I need to do now is go home and make a list of everything that needs to be done before we can move in. Yeah, I think that's the best plan of action. So I'll see you later. Catch you next time.